we go. I'll put this chunk of resin on. We have fire. I'll let this flame die down a little bit and just cook them over the hot coals. Wish I had some seasoning. It's getting chilly out here. The skin will protect the meat from burning. I'm pretty excited to eat, not gonna lie. Even without any seasoning, that is good. Let's dig in, shall we? Good and smoky, a little charred on the outside. A few bones. After this, definitely going to need some water. So let's dip into our survival kit. Get the Mylar bag and the iodine tabs. I cut some off so that it would fit into the tin better. Now I use a Mylar bag because in case I run out of water tablets, I can boil water in this. Just fill it up and drop some hot rocks in there.